hope y'all enjoyed the beginning of that video. Came over here to this part of our property and started clearing it with the bush hog. As you can see, it's opened up a little bit. Tristan and I are going to make this section right here a food plot for this fall. We have another one by our pond. We might drive through it just to check it out. It's all overgrown as well. We have a ladder stand going up into the tree, but we'll put one over here. We're going to disc this up, plant it with some rye and some clove this fall, and bait it with corn. You can bait on private property in Mississippi, so that's what we'll be doing. But yeah, this will be a nice little food plot. We'll walk down here a little bit, but as I mentioned yesterday, our property is just shy of 50 acres, so it's 47.8 acres, and the vast majority, so more than half of our property is actually wooded like this. So we're walking down a trail right now that leads into this food plot, but it's all hardwood trees. There's a few pine trees and evergreens, but very few, so we lucked out when it came to that. But this portion of our property, see, as you can see, all these trees, we're gonna leave like this. So we're gonna leave this part. So we're gonna leave like 25, 30 acres of our property wooded, heavily wooded like this, for habitat for animals, for deer. We don't have that many pigs. I've only seen 2 pigs since we've lived here. Tristan's actually making some pig attractant, so it's essentially fermented corn. Anyway, we'll put that on the wood, see if we can lure them in and kill them. Should be pretty cool. But as you can see, it goes back a ways. It's just so pretty. It's so awesome. We're getting more subscribers, which is awesome. So yesterday it was 116, today it is 122 or something like that. So that's just more people that we can share with. It makes me super excited for our future with everyone. Makes me excited to learn more, especially when people drop comments and stuff like that. Like, oh yeah, that looks awesome, or oh yeah, y'all F that up. Y'all don't know what y'all are doing. Whatever. The whole thing is the experience behind it, learning, growing, sharing it with everyone. Because a lot of people want, especially nowadays, a lot of people want property and land and the freedom to do what they want to do. I see it on Facebook all the time. People are like, oh yeah, we can get a bunch of people together and buy a bunch of land and make a community. Well, we're making a community here on YouTube, and we want to share it with everyone. So just go ahead and share our videos, like them, tell your friends, whatever you want to do. It's so rewarding to see people engage with our content, and they're just like, oh yeah, you're doing a great job. So yeah, yesterday, if you watched the video, I was disking our garden so we can plant it next week or so, and those dogs came across. So in real time, not on camera, those dogs were chasing a deer across our property. The deer ran into the pond, jumped into the pond, dove, and was swimming across our pond to the other side of the other bank. I wish I would have got that on film. That would have been really cool. But I was using the GoPro, not our Canon, so I couldn't zoom in to get the deer on film. So it's kind of sad. But there was no blood or anything like that, like I said yesterday. But this morning, Tristan went out and took care of the chickens. One of those honey dogs is still in our barn, actually laying on a hay bale, and it scared Tristan. Tristan was like, oh my god, I didn't know there was a dog in there. So it's kind of funny, but it's part of living out here in a wildlife management. People come out here to go rabbit hunting and deer hunting, and they just run dogs. So it just is what it is. But this will be a nice food plot. It'll be pretty cool. Well, everyone, it started raining again. So yeah, that's what I'm dealing with. I got this bush hogged. Probably gonna disc it, I don't know, maybe tomorrow or sometime next week. I've just been waiting for Tristan to get done with his project, building that fence for his buddies. But when he gets back, we're gonna finish the pig pen. And then that should be ready, good to go. Just have to get the mulch for our pigs. And yeah, it should be pretty exciting. I'm gonna take care of the chickens this afternoon. I need to change their wood chips and everything, so we'll probably do that. And refill their feed and their water, check them out. I hope you all enjoyed the video. It's currently raining once again, so I'm gonna go ahead and take care of the chickens and then wrap it up today. I hope you all enjoyed yourselves. It's just a quick little video today, getting some work done on the farm. But yeah, go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Hopefully it'll be better weather so we can do some more work, but I'm tired of getting wet today, so see y'all tomorrow.